This is a recap for today's trade. So there was price was heading up towards the pre-market times, and it was nicely heading up. This is the ES in 5 minutes, which I took trade. This is the same account, and once the price reached this VWAP, I had a nice trade at seven, somewhere around 755. Sorry. So, but I missed that trade, which again also I had to attend a call at 9. I missed the trade again, so I was in a very bad ass FOMO. So, based on that, I did enter a short trade, considering that in here this is the 15-second chart, which I also would not enter trades based on my strategy, but I just broke my rules and had the punishment. So the price is nicely trending downwards in the 5 minute after the market opened, and it also, these two lines are the if you don't know, that's the opening range in the 5 minute. So it broke the orb as well, but since it was in this range and it was near this VWAP in here, let me go there. What is this? Right. So it was here. So based on this zone, I and the VWAP, I entered a long trade. Looking at the 15-second chart, you can see that I have entered the long here, and I had to exit with the stop loss in down there. So it was absolutely wrong and against my strategy, because the price was nicely trending down in the 1 minute and also in the 5 minute as well. So that was against my rules, so I made a huge loss there. So I missed two trades, and lost the trade, so that ended up in a loss. So then I did not trade again. I wanted this price to come back to the VWAP and the 200 here, but unfortunately the price did not make it up there. But I saw that in NQ the price made it up to there, but in the ES it did not. I should have taken this trade, considering that it took the resistance area of this, but it was not enough of a confluence for me, considering that the major order block would be in this area. Also the VWAP is not around, so I'll have to keep a major stop loss, and the risk reward would be extremely bad, and I did not want to take a second loss after the dumb trade that I took in the morning. So considering that, I did not take any trade on that. So then I held on, and I saw the price coming back to the VWAP and also that previous resistance line here. So I took a trade in this. This is a 1 minute, and in here. So I took the trade here, and my intended stop loss was up there above just this order block, and my forced exit, I had to take a forced exit. My intended exit was here in the previous, just above the previous low, but I had to take a forced exit, considering that the price bounced 1, 2, 3, 4 times from this level, which was also a level that coincides with this support level. So I had to walk away with around 400 or a bit less than 400 there. But price went up, made an equal high here, and also then again continued towards my intended target, and even more. Should I have waited, then I should have bagged around $1,600 in a few minutes. But provided, I think it's a safe exit, because the market was giving me a telltale sign that the support was really strong, and also to walk away with a larger red bag is dumb. And again, it did the same here. It came up to this level, and the market was absolutely low volatile. I was having a bit of the FOMO, and also sadness of losing, having a red day. So I did make another entry here at this level. Also it broke the 1 minute structure down here, but it entered a consolidation zone. You can see there's a nice wedge that it was forming, and as the price, as the market was heading towards 530, after about 530 market tends to make a small move towards up or down, and I thought this level might have got exhausted, and also the push towards downside was low, the wedge was forming, and I was quite afraid. So I just exited the trade with just 1 or 2 ticks here, and the market continued, but not towards my intended profit. Anyway, the market again had a push up at roughly as expected. So it would not have been lost yet, because my stop loss was placed here, but I think it was a safe exit considering that the market was really slow. So that's my recap for the ES trade. I am only up with about $87 considering that I had a major loss, but that's okay. So we are still on the learning phase here. So this is my trading strategy, but I'll be adding the orb as well very soon. Orb is the opening range breakout. I'll have to backtest that, but it seems to be a lot of traders be trading that. Anyhow, that's my trade recap on ES for the 26th August. See you tomorrow. Thank you.
Perfect.